I'm extremely pleased to host at the water basin of the CMRE the second RAMI International Robotics competition. This year we have more than 30 guests from all over the world, and more than 40 students from different universities will challenge their robot in inspection and maintenance tasks in a gas and oil mock plant. The robots will need to have autonomy and advanced perception skills to succeed in their tasks. These are the key factors for the upcoming robotic revolution, and then these kind of events are the perfect way to form the new generation of scientists and engineers.
Hello, I'm Bill Kirkwood from the Oceanic Engineering Society, and as part of IEEE we support a lot of events, and the European Robotics League and RAMI2023 have been one of the things we've been involved with for many years. And we're looking forward to a great event and hoping to see some awesome innovation from some of the students.
CMRE is thrilled to guest the European Robotics League competition, this year focused on the relevant topic of critical underwater infrastructure. We gathered together the most brilliant minds, scientists, engineers from around the world in a healthy and competitive environment for this relevant topic, so important for the future of the technological relevance of NATO. We look forward for next events, and we are ready to guest them in the next years.